Hi guys, Spencer Campbell here with another tutorial from MrCampbellRocks.com. I am a former English teacher in middle school and high school. Glad you're here. Super stoked. So Google Meet updates are coming. They should be coming this week. And when I say should be coming this week, that's based on the information that Google has sent in an email and then also published on their Google Meets updates page. So a little bit of background, right? About 3 weeks ago, they said, hey, we're going to give this to everybody free. We understand we're in a pandemic. We understand coronavirus. We need to make this free for everybody. And so they gave that to the G Suite customers, everybody. And when that happened, because they mass rolled it out, they realized there were some things that they still needed to fix. And so they talked about what those things are. So let's go in and look at those. So I'm actually going to post this link right here just in the information below. You can see it down below. So on the 19th, they basically said, hey, we're giving this everybody to July 1st till the end of the year for free. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll out some changes. So the additional details I've actually highlighted. I'm not going to read all of it, but you can read it here and go into the link. The two biggest things that they're going to do is they're going to allow users to create meetings, and the user that creates the meeting, or the teacher, right? So if I'm looking at this from a teacher's perspective or an administrator, is I'm the only one that can approve for people to come in. And when I kick them out, they cannot come back in, right? So that's one thing. The second thing that they're going to be able to do is they will not be able to rejoin after the final participant is left and the teacher kind of closes it out, which is a huge thing. We talked about that in some of the add-ons with the grid view and different things like that, is that kids could get back into the link. That should be rolling out this week. And if you don't see it by the end of this week, right, is you need to email or contact your district or school administrator that is over your Google Suite account, your Google admin. It's something they need to push out. My thoughts were that it was going to update automatically, but as I emailed them and asked them about some of the changes, they kind of gave me just a canned reply that they've been sending to everybody about some of the problems of, students being able to mute other students and different things like that. So there's this right here. So the other thing that they're going to do is they're going to improve the teacher controls for nickname meetings, that the person that signs up with the account, right, will be able to create a short link, g.co.meet/Mr. Campbell's class, Mrs. Johnson's class, and it'll be specific. So it won't be those random 10 letters. When you see that, if you see that, let me know, notify me under this, and we'll throw up a tutorial and show everybody how to do it. This is very quick, super excited for this. And what this means to me, right, is Google obviously values money, right? They're a company and they're a business, but they also value education, and they value teachers and students and parents and districts' feedback. That's why they're kind of pushing these changes out. Usually all of these things would roll over in their yearly rollover, come August or September or July or August when the school year starts, and they come out with all these new things and they say, oh, this is what we're doing, right? But it looks like they're pushing this forward to get those done, to keep kids safe and to keep everybody working throughout the shutdown. Again, if you're here, you're an educator, and I appreciate everything that you do for students and for families and everything like that. I love you. I appreciate you. And I'm glad that you're here.